what I felt was that often if you come from a democratic school, you really learn how to take care for others as well, and try to treat them equal as you would think it would be good for you. And yeah,
there's not very many barriers.
Yeah.
Meeting people because you treat them as equals, so they treat you as equals.
Yeah, yeah.
And you learn how to treat people without judgment, I guess.
Yeah. Be more open for them.
Yeah, definitely. Because you've experienced that in the schools. So in a democratic environment, you feel like you are equal to everybody else.
Yeah.
And so you are very open to all people being. You're not threatened by anybody. You're not. You just consider them.
Everyone has the same right.
Yeah, exactly. And that's very. It's very empowering for you, and it also teaches you how to treat other people as individuals, which is very important.
Just take care for their issues.
Yeah.
They have, and try to see them and do the best, or like you can. Or like,
yeah, it doesn't matter what social group they're from, really. Yeah. You just see them as people. And if you treat them nicely, they treat you nicely. Usually, not always. Yeah, they teach you how to do that, and it doesn't teach you in lessons. It's not something that can be taught by reading it in a book or someone telling you that it happens.
Just by doing it every day, just living in a big group, and it's more like a bit like a family school.
Yeah,
it's a bit more like a family. So yeah, and one thing is like you really learn how to manage your time, and how to force yourself, how you can force yourself to get something done, because there's nobody tells you should do that or you have to do that, so you have to do it by your own. And if you want to get something done, there's nobody that tells you have to do this, so that's the reason why you do it. It's just the reason you want to do it, and you have to force yourself, or just find a way for yourself to do it and to finish it. And that's a really big point. If you go to university, there's nobody to force you. You have to learn that if you went to public school before, you have to learn okay, now I'm responsible for myself, and nobody will say me, okay, now you have to pay your rent, and now you have to learn the stuff for university and things like that. And this is what you learn in the pre-democratic school, or like in the democratic school, that you're responsible, or you can.
Yeah, you are responsible.
You're responsible for your own.
In the school, if you have an idea and you're motivated to do something, they'll encourage it. Definitely, they'll go. Will you say, "Well, I want to go make an elephant," and they'll go, "Well, yeah. Well, how can we make this happen for you?" It's not like, "No, that's too big. No, we can't do that for you. We haven't got enough time." It's like, "Yeah, well, you're going to have to put in a lot of work from you, but we'll help you wherever we can." And it's very encouraging for that as well. Which is really nice.